Do you need to replace the speakers on your Dell Alienware X14? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Alright, the first thing that you'll do is unscrew the bottom base cover. Then you can use a plastic scribe to pry open and separate the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. After that, lift the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Now unscrew and remove the speakers. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.